Wagwan squad, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna quickly show you guys how I grew my eyebrows at home using some simple tools and techniques. Starting off, I'm just gonna bring you guys in up close and personal so you can see the full set of my eyebrows for every hair out of place. With what I use to groom my eyebrows, I just picked up this scissors and spoolie from Walmart. I also use a handheld razor that you can get from your beauty supply store. Additionally, you can use a tweezer. I often stay away from this because it's very painful to me. And I also use an eyeliner and some alcohol and cotton pads. The first step I do is to brush my hair into place, and then grabbing my eyeliner, I try to outline the shape of my eyebrows how I would like them. So naturally your eyebrow hairs are thicker and sparse in some areas, so I just use the thicker parts of my eyebrow as an outline for the shape that I want for my eyebrows. I also double check after I finish outlining my eyebrows just to make sure that's the shape that I like, and then I move on to the next one. Mind you, it would not come out identical at all, so you know, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Now to actually start shaving my eyebrow, I use a technique of pulling the skin taut, and then starting with the lower outline, I go along with the razor very smoothly in little short strokes to get every hair that is out of place on the line. Here I often tend to be very careful not to go too much inside of the line. You can see the actual thickness, so I try to go at least in the middle of the line itself. Again, this is something like you have to have a steady hand for this because the one look of shift and piece of eyebrow gone, and we don't want that for us. And also, pro tip, stretching the skin or keeping the skin taut allows the razor to glide smoothly over it and not giving you any cuts. The next step is to actually brush my hair how they naturally fall, and then I'll go ahead and use the razor on the top part of the brows to just singe away any of the hairs that are outside that line. Lastly, grabbing the spoolie once again, I brush the hair outwards, up and over the line so that I can go in with my scissors and kind of get anything that doesn't lay down properly that would kind of make things just stick up and look out of place. I just use a spoolie again to brush my hair into place, making sure that everything is how I would like it. To finish off, I just grab my makeup remover wipes to get rid of the outline, and then just brush my hair into place and do my normal inspection just to make sure everything is up to par and how I would like it. Y'all do not come for me and tell me my eyebrows are not equal. I can see that, but for the life of me, I can never get them the same. Again, eyebrows are sisters, not twins, probably cousins even. For the final step, I grab a cotton ball soaked with alcohol just to wipe that over to disinfect the area. This is something I implore you guys to practice as persons who actually groom their eyebrows at home. It is very hygienic, I believe, and it prevents from getting any infection if you have any cuts or bruises. I'm just lightly filling in my eyebrows to give you guys an idea of what it looks like when it's actually filled in, and this is the finished look. Fun fact, I can move one eyebrow at a time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to bust a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.